I'm Tom Selway for Sense Media, and I'm here with Jeff VanWashenova of CEVA. Jeff, lovely to speak with you. Tell me a little bit about the business then. What does it do exactly?
Yeah, so we are a silicon IP company, and we're focusing on low-power embedded computer vision and also machine learning. So we have silicon IP that focuses on computer vision. It can also do some deep learning functionality. And this year we announced a new product family, which is NeuPro, which is a standalone, dedicated neural network processor. So it's a very important year for us in automotive this year at CEVA.
So the kind of things that you're doing, is this quite unique in the industry, or do you have a lot of competitors doing similar products?
There is some competition in the market. I think CEVA has been kind of an innovator when it comes to neural networks. So we were one of the first people to introduce software tools that optimize neural networks for low power embedded systems. So from that standpoint, I think CEVA kind of stands alone in that aspect.
So talk to me specifically about some of the things that you're showcasing here this week at AutoSens. What is it that the consumers and the other business people will see if they come to your stand?
Yeah, so what we're showing here today is actually we have a computer vision demo that's running on the XM4. The XM4 is a product that we introduced to the automotive market a few years ago, and what's exciting is we're starting to get silicon back. So this year, as I said, is a very exciting year for CEVA, as we're starting to see products that we introduced a few years back. Silicon's coming, and we'll be into production in automotive next year. So it's quite an exciting time.
Have you found that technology in this area is still moving forward at quite a pace, or is it kind of stagnant? Where are we at with it in terms of development of this technology?
It's really moving at a very, very fast pace. I mean, automotive traditionally is a really slow-moving industry, right? But if you look at computer vision, deep learning, these are concepts that have been introduced in the past couple years, and we're getting into production, and things are moving very, very fast. On one hand, there's the conservative nature of automotive that tends to make things, they need to be safe and reliable, but also the pace of innovation is really, moving things forward quite quickly.
And obviously at AutoSens, there are many businesses here with all kinds of different technology. Are you still kind of surprised to see the developments that are happening in the industry every time you attend one of these events?
The thing I think that surprises me the most is the things that we were talking about in the first AutoSens are coming to fruition. So just like the CEVA products, we introduced the first AutoSens, and now we're at a point where things are going in production. So the first AutoSens, there are these advanced concepts like deep learning, and now we're here and things are going into production. So what surprised me the most is the things that you talked about before are a reality today, and the things that we're talking about during this conference will be a reality in a few years. So I think that's the most interesting thing from my aspect.
And I suppose you're always keeping an eye on the future. I mean, how easy is it for you to sort of gauge where to go next and what to do with the company? Are there other aspects of the technology that you're looking at and other ways of developing what the company does?
I think one of the great things about CEVA's approach is we have very good relationships with our customers, and sharing ideas and trying to figure out what they want to accomplish in 2025 is what we want to learn about to make sure that we have the IP and the products to support what they want to deliver to their customers in 2025. And so it's a constant interaction with OEMs and Tier 1s, trying to understand what they need for their customers and drivers, and making sure that CEVA has the IP that can deliver that.
All the very best of luck to you. Thanks very much for your time today.
Thank you.
You can get more great videos from AutoSens. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.